Hey everyone! Today I am making a rich, flavorful brownie stock. This is the base that makes soup, sauce and gravies that taste amazing. I have got our classic mirepoix veggies, carrot, onion, celery and of course a bouquet garni, along with some beef bones and some diced beef. Lay out the beef bones on a tray and roast for around 30 minutes by preheating your oven to about 200 degrees centigrade until they turn deep golden brown. While the bones roast, I am starting my diced beef right in the stock pot. Just a splash of oil and I am browning it off gently to build that first layer of flavor. Once the beef is brown, toss in the carrots, onion and celery to soften and pick up all those meaty flavors. When the bones are ready, straight into the pot they go. Gentle mix them, add cold water just enough to cover everything. Then add peppercorns, cloves, star anise, garlic cloves and drop in a bouquet garni with thyme, parsley, bay leaf. Nothing fancy, just those classic flavors. And bring it up slowly to a gentle simmer for 3 to 4 hours. The longer, the better. Keep an eye out for foam or impurities. Skim them off for a clear, clean stock. After it's reduced to that rich brown color, strain it through a fine sieve. Toss out the solids. They have done their job. And cool the stock quickly. Pop it in the freeze or freezer. You will see a natural layer of fat form on the top. Just skim it off and there you go. A classic brownie stock, ready to make any dish taste like you have cooked all day. And that's it. Brownie stock done and dusted, all packed up in these containers, straight into the fridge or freezer. Ready whenever I need to turn dinner into something amazing.